Are your Shopify sales showing incorrect data in Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify with Wixpa Google Tag Manager and GA4 so you can track product views, add to carts, checkouts, and purchases accurately in just a few minutes. Stay until the end because I'll also show you how to verify that your data is actually being recorded correctly. So, let's get started. First, install Wixpa Google Tag Manager app from Shopify App Store. Open it in your Shopify store. Go to Theme Activation, hit Activate. Copy the activation code provided by Wixpa. Next, navigate to Settings, then Customer Events, and add Custom Pixel Paste. The activation code, save the pixel, and connect it. Your Shopify store is now connected with Wixpa. Return to the Wixpa dashboard and click Create Pixel. Make sure you have active accounts of Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics. For property, connect your Google account, create container. Now select Google Analytics 4 as the platform. Choose your GA4 property and measurement ID. Wixpa will automatically create and configure the required tags inside your Google Tag Manager container. Click Save. Now open Google Tag Manager. Locate the container that was just configured. You should see new changes waiting to be published. Click Submit and then Publish. This step is important because unpublished containers won't send any data to Google Analytics. After publishing, click Preview inside Google Tag Manager. Enter your Shopify store URL and connect Tag Assistant. Once connected, open your store and perform some activities. View a product, add a product to cart, start checkout. As you do this, return to Google Tag Manager preview mode. You should see events appearing and tags firing successfully. Finally, open Google Analytics 4 and go to Real-Time Reports. Within a few seconds, you should see events such as Page View, View Item, Add to Cart, Begin Checkout. If the events appear in both Google Tag Manager Preview and Google Analytics Real-Time Reports, your setup is working correctly and data is flowing accurately from Shopify to GA4. And that's it! You've successfully connected Shopify with Wixpa Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. Your store can now track customer behavior and e-commerce events accurately, helping you measure performance and make better marketing decisions. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.